In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT in French. Whether you're looking to translate text into French or receive responses in French, it's entirely possible. That said, ChatGPT doesn't have a built-in feature to permanently change the language. For example, there's no dedicated language settings menu. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround. I'm using Google Chrome on a Windows PC for this demonstration. If you're on a different device, browser, or operating system, the steps might vary slightly but should still be easy to follow. To start, open ChatGPT in your browser. Right-click anywhere on the screen and select the Translate option. My browser already shows French as the default choice because I've tried this before. If you need a different language, click the three-dot menu, select Choose Another Language, and pick French or your preferred language from the list. Once selected, click Done, and the entire page will be translated. If you want ChatGPT to respond in French, simply type or paste your query in French. ChatGPT will detect the language and reply in kind. For example, I've pasted the phrase "Comment cavier," which means "How are you?" In French. If you encounter any errors, refreshing the page should fix the issue. After refreshing and trying again, you'll see ChatGPT responding in French without any problems. I hope this tutorial helps. If you found it useful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd be happy to assist.